So here we have the Mercedes-Benz C250 on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. We have the speedometer in the middle and the rev counter over on the right-hand side. Also in the middle, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 59,003. Below that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we are in park at the moment. You can change the information displayed in that central section for various different things. As you can see, you can have a digital readout for the speedometer, for example. We work out our way to the steering wheel. The buttons I was using a second ago are just here. Over on the right hand side there, we have stereo and phone controls. Just behind the steering wheel, we have the minus and plus pedals there so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over in the center, we then have the main screen for the car. As you can see, this car has got satellite navigation. Nice, easy system to use. You can control what you see up on the screen either using these buttons just here or this dial here. So for example, if you wanted the radio, you could press the radio button. The dial would then be used to operate everything on the screen itself. So that's me rotating the dial around. You can push it down to enter the audio menu, and you can see all the different ways you're able to listen to your own music just there. You can go and pair your phone from up here. You can also jog it down to the bottom and use the dial down there as well. The main stereo just here is where you'll find the CD player, the volume for the stereo, the buttons that you can use to access menus directly. Beneath that, we've got a heated passenger seat with 3 heat settings. Same over there for the driver's side as well. We can turn the parking sensors on and off. We can put the car in eco mode. And then below that, we've got the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature. You can adjust the driver temperature, and you'll see the red indicator to let you know where you have the temperature set. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, that turns your air conditioning off in this case, or back on again. Or you can hit auto. The car will now take control with the fan speed, which you can hear it doing. You can override it whenever you want to. It will take control with the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the 2 temperatures that you've asked for. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.